OnePlus is preparing to launch the 15s in India, while the device serves as the international rebrand of the China-exclusive OnePlus 15T. 6.32-inch 1.5K AMOLED screen with a 165Hz refresh rate and 1800 nits high brightness mode. The processor is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, with the phone running Oxygen OS 16 based on Android 16. Camera hardware includes a rear dual camera setup with either a 200MP Samsung HP5 or a 50MP Sony IMX906 primary sensor, paired with a 50MP Samsung JN5 telephoto. The phone is expected to carry a 7500 mAh silicon carbon battery. Fast charging support sits at either 100W or 120W wired, with Qi 2 wireless charging also expected. Expected pricing lands below 60,000 rupees in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.